Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download GA4 reports from Google Analytics 4, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Analytics website. Log in to your Google Analytics account using your credentials. Select the property associated with your Google Analytics 4 account. Once on the property dashboard, locate the left-hand sidebar. Click on the Reports option in the sidebar. Choose the specific report you would like to download, such as the lifecycle or user reports. After selecting a report, review the displayed data. Adjust the date range at the top right corner if needed to focus on specific data. To download the report, look for the Export button usually located at the top right corner of the report. Click on the Export button to see the available file formats. Choose your preferred format, such as CSV, PDF, or Google Sheets. If you select PDF, additional options may appear for customizing the download. Once you have selected your format, click on the corresponding option to initiate. The report will start downloading to your device automatically. Check your Downloads folder or the designated location for the downloaded file. Open the file to verify that the data is correct and formatted as expected. You have now successfully downloaded your GA4 reports from Google Analytics 4. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.